how to clear cache on iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So for you, in order to clear cache memory of certain apps, you will have to do certain things. So the first thing you can do is make sure that you check whether the app has an inbuilt feature, whether or not you can natively remove all the cache memory. So let's say apps like Instagram and TikTok, well, they have an option where you can natively remove or dump all the cache memory directly from the app. But if that method doesn't work out, you can go ahead and click on settings, and in settings you can go ahead and click on general. Once you're in general, you can click on iPhone storage, and once you're here, you can see there are multiple apps that are currently on my device right now. And let's say I want to remove the cache memory of PhonePe. So once I click on the app, I have a bunch of options like offload app or delete app. So offloading is what we need to do, and it is similar to a factory reset, but the good thing is your login and password information will remain intact. So this is almost as good as clearing all the cache memory. So once you click on offload, it will offload the app, which means it will dump all the cache memory. And once you do that, all you have to do is click on reinstall. It will reinstall the app through the internet, so make sure you have a good connection in order for this to work. And once this is done, the app should now be clear of all the cache memory. But if you want to do it in another way, you can always reboot your device, and that will also clear the cache memory of all the apps that are currently running on your device. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.